In the first episode, we learned about the 3 properties of Bitcoin that make it qualify as sound money. If that wasn't convincing enough, in this episode we'll dive into 3 more properties of Bitcoin that make it sound money. Welcome back to Market Melody. This is What's in My Wallet? Episode 2, What is Bitcoin? To reinforce the argument that Bitcoin is a store of value and sound money, the following 3 traits also apply to BTC. Durable, the ability to withstand the test of time. Bitcoin is durable, meaning it has no diminishing value. BTC is a cryptographic sequence and can therefore be stored anywhere. While paper money can easily be destroyed, this will never happen with Bitcoin. Simply because Bitcoin is non-physical and you can never touch it. Portable, the ability to be easily carried. As a piece of code, Bitcoin can be stored on paper, on a hard drive, or even memorized. But how is it portable? In fact, you can easily store all of your wealth on a ledger wallet and travel the world with Bitcoin. This is completely impossible with paper money and gold. Scarcity, the quality of being rare. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, and over time, the increasing difficulty of mining will decrease the amount of new Bitcoins coming into circulation. This makes it scarcer and less inflationary than most other currencies. When the halving event occurs again in 2024, Bitcoin's inflation will be less than gold. Imagine you have 100 Bitcoins in your ledger wallet. While traveling in a foreign country, you use Bitcoin to pay for expenses and food. Unfortunately, you lose your ledger wallet on the way back home. The wallet is broken and someone has picked it up. But you remain calm because only you know the private key in your Bitcoin is not affected. You go home, create a new wallet, enter the private key, and access your Bitcoin as usual. So we've talked about Bitcoin as sound money with a total of 6 superior attributes. In the next episode, we'll discuss even higher applications of Bitcoin. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe to support the channel.